Here's an easy tip if you want to increase conversions on your website, and especially during holiday sales that are coming up. Add a live chat to your website. That's what I'm going to show you in this week's tutorial. If you're new to this channel, my name is Ana Lea. I am the owner and designer of Lea Design Studio, where I create custom Squarespace templates, courses, and resources to help you look good online. And here I share marketing and tech tips to help you work smarter and not harder. So if that is something that you're interested in, hit that subscribe button. And now let's dive into the tutorial. Okay, so I am over here on my website, my demo website. And we are going to pretend that we want to add a chat to our website so we can answer fan questions about our new album. So first, let me show you which tool we are going to use. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we are going to use the tool called Chatra. Chatra is a very cool live chat plugin that you can use on any website practically. It has a free plan, which is more than enough if you're using it for your sales pages and if you're just getting started. And it essentially gives you the ability to add an online and offline chat widget, and it comes with the phone app so that you can reply to any inquiries that you get, even if you're on the go and not at your computer. This is why I like it so much. And it even gives you basic visitor info, such as their name and email, that you can collect so that you can follow up with them later. If you upgrade to the paid plan, then you can also see which country they're coming from, what page they are on during the conversation, and it also gives you this view in real time, and it also allows you to see what they added to their shopping cart, as well as what they're typing as they're typing it. In that case, if you upgrade to a paid plan, you can also add chat notes and even saved replies so that when somebody asks you a question, if you have questions that you get on a regular basis, you can just use the saved replies to replies to those questions. Again, it has a lot of cool features, and that's why I like using it, and I find it more user-friendly than the Facebook Messenger or live chat that I'm not so keen on using. Anyway, I am going to sign in to my Chatra account and I'm going to show you around. I'm using the free plan, like I said, because I don't really need the automations and the triggers because I'm not using it to that extent. I usually have it on during sales when I'm running a promotion for my templates or during a specific sale period, and I find the free version more than enough. So in here, you can customize your settings, which essentially allows you to control how your widget looks and the language that your chat widget is in. And you can also choose where the chat is positioned. You have several options, whether you want to show it at the bottom, in the middle, or on the left side, on the right side. And you can customize the text that the chat widget comes with. So you can customize this as well as this look here. And these basically display you what the widget looks like when you're online and what it looks like when you're offline. If you upgrade to a paid plan, visitors can also upload files if you need them to, and they can rate your conversations. Like I said, it comes with a pretty cool set of features. But you can also choose to enable the chat button on mobile devices or to completely hide it from mobile devices. You can customize the sound that you get. Under email, you can have, if you upgrade to a paid plan, you can have customer inquiries to get forwarded to your email address. And you can also connect your Facebook pages and your Instagram DMs as well so that you can reply to them directly from Chatra. Under preferences, you can set up where the offline messages get forwarded to, which I recommend you set that up to your main email that you check frequently. And you can also choose to enable to email full conversation transcripts to visitors. Under saved replies, if you upgrade to a paid plan, this is where you would add them. And then under integrations, you can integrate Chatra with other tools like Shopify, Zapier, Cloudflare, BigCommerce, and others. But today I'm just going to show you how to add it to your Squarespace website. So once you've configured your chat widget the way you like it, once you've customized it how you like it, and once you've customized the text here, what it says, it's time to add it to your Squarespace website. And for that, you're going to click on Settings over here and then Chat Widget and Show Setup Instructions. This is going to give you code that you need to add to your website. So I'm going to copy all of that. And we are going to go to our Squarespace website. And again, if you want this to appear on every page on your website, then you are going to go to Website, Website Tools, Code Injection, and under Header, you are going to paste the code from Chadra. And when we click Save, as you can see, it now appears at the bottom of the screen. And when they open it, they can send you a message and you can reply to them. If you don't want this to appear on all pages of your website and you just want it on a specific page, then what I recommend you do is you go to that specific page. So under website, locate the page where you want to add the widget. So I'm going to go over to the music page and I'm going to click the page settings icon, and under advanced header injection, I'm going to paste the code that Chadra gave us. And now when we save and refresh, as you can see, our widget is right here. But if we go to another page, such as About, the widget won't be here. That's it for this tutorial. And if you're looking for more tips on optimizing your website for holiday sales, please be sure to check out this following video. And if you're looking for more help on how to actually launch your Squarespace website, I have a free masterclass that walks you through the exact 5 steps you need to go through in order to launch your Squarespace website in just 5 days. I'll leave a link to it in the description below, so be sure to check it out. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time.